Hello class 2, this is your EVS book and this is chapter 1 and chapter 1 is functions of our body parts. Yes, the functions is functions of our body part. We will study about our body parts functions in the chapter. As we all know, our body has many parts and each parts help us to do a work. Every part has different work. Our body works like a machine. Some body parts are in pair. As you can see at your body, you can see that you have 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs. Such body parts are in pair. Eyes, ears, hand and legs are in pairs. Now, let us name some body parts. N-O-S-E, nose. E-A-R-S, ears. A-R-M-S, arms. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. E-Y-E-S, eyes. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. L-E-G-S, legs. And H-A-N-D, hand or H-E-A-D, head. So, each part of our body does a special work, such as our nose helps us to smell. We can smell with help of our nose. We can smell flowers, perfume, aroma of food and bad odors also. Perfume, food, bad odors and aroma of a flower. Our hand help us to hold, touch, lift, write, pull, push, throw and catch. As you can see in the picture, hold, write, push. Okay, now look at the next page. We use our teeth to chew food. Teeth help us to chew food. Whenever we eat something, we use our teeth to chew the food. Our ears help us to hear different sounds and noises. With the help of ear, we can hear different sound. Our eyes help us to see different things. With the help of eyes, we can watch television, we can read, and so on. Our tongue help us to taste things. With the help of tongue, we can taste things such as sweets, sour, spicy, bitter, etc. We can taste these different things with the help of tongue. Our legs help us to walk, run, kick, jump, stand and to chase someone. Walk, run, kick, jump. These all actions we can do with the help of leg. We feel hot, cold, soft and hard with the help of our skin. Our skin tells us wherever something is hot or cold. Some parts of our body are very hard to touch. These bones are found under our skin all over the body. Bones are found under our skin. They are not visible because they are covered with skin and they are all over in our body. touch your skin, forehead, legs, arms and feet. These are bones in each part of our body. So children, this is a chapter about functions our body part. In this chapter, we know about different functions of different body parts. Each body part has not same work or function. They all have different functions like hear, see, jump, eat, smell, etc. Now I know our body parts help us in different ways. We have some body parts in pair and we have hands to hold and legs to walk. Now this is question time. First, okay, now this is question time. Number A, tick the correct answer. Here we have to tick the correct option. There are 2 or 3 options in each question. So we have to select the right one. Number 1 is our nose helps us to. Now, as we already read in the chapter that our nose help us to. Our nose help us to smell, and we can smell flower, perfume and aroma of food or bad odors, etc. So what is the right answer here? Chew food, smell or hear? Yes, smell is the right option here. Our nose help us to smell. Now number 2 is we feel hot or cold with the help of our. Yes, the right answer is skin. We feel hot or cold with the help of our skin. Now we hold things with our. Which part of body help us to hold things? Legs, mouth or hands? Hands. Hands is the right answer here. Now number 4 is we walk with the help of our leg, hands and ears. Legs. So the right answer is legs. Now next one is matching. You have to match the right options from the first side. Reading book. How do we read a book? With the help of eyes, legs, skin, ears or tongue? Yes, with the help of eyes. Sweets, tongue, running, legs, hot coffee, skin, heart, ears. In question number C, you have to circle the odd words. Salty, sweet, birds and bitter. Look at the question number 1. These all are related to taste, salty, sweet and bitter, but bird is different here. Odd word means we have to circle here different words. So bird is different here. Number 2, run, throw, jump and kick. These all actions we do with our legs, but we can throw with our hands. So throw is here your answer. Number 3 is walking, reading, watching television and watching a movie. We can read, watching TV and watching a movie with the help of eye, but we can walk with our legs. So walking is right answer here. Next is pull, push, kick and ride. Pull, push and ride. These all 3 actions we do with our hand. So kick is right answer here. So class 1, this is class 2, this is your class 2, this is your chapter 1. I hope you all will like the video. Please like and subscribe your school channel. So bye bye.